Hey everyone, I'm Kelsey Bolin with GymRa. This is Allison. She's going to help us walk step by step through a HIIT workout. It's going to be about 10 minutes. We're going to go hard. We've got 7 exercises that are 50 seconds each. I'm going to be doing an easier modification and she's going to be doing the harder one. So for you advanced ladies and gents, you'll want to follow her. For more beginner, you'll want to follow me. Okay, so we're going to need some weights, about 3 to 5 pounds. So if you've got some dumbbells, that would be great. We've got our nice little colorful ones right here. And 3 to 5 pounds is good, like I said. So my first exercise that we're going to start off doing is alternating forward lunge with rear fly. Okay, bent elbow rear fly to be exact. Right, let's not waste any time. Let's go right into it. 50 seconds. You got this. Elbows up, guns up. Here we go.
Guns up. Inhale as you go down. Exhale up. Very nice. Inhale. Exhale up. As you go into your lunge, keeping your knees behind your toes. Keeping that core nice and tight. Focusing on those glutes.
Combo
And
move
those
here
shoulders.
for you. We've got some cardio coming your way
I
next.
can feel it.
You're going to love us. Let's do one more on each leg.
You can do it. Last one. Down and up. Great job.
Good job, guys.
For 50
Okay,
seconds.
ready?
Woo, let's do it.
Okay, let's go.
Be sure to breathe through these. They're rough. Go as fast as you can, but remember it's not a race, so just do what you can and push yourself. Hips are low. We're breathing the whole time. Our core is strong. Great job. How you holding up over there, Kelsey?
Good.
Looking good, girl.
Oh, yeah. Got the hair blowing in the wind.
This is great.
Should be starting to feel it by now.
Keep pushing. Keep those hips low. Don't quit. Okay.
Good job,
Woo.
guys. Good, guys. And let's get started.
Keep that lunge nice and deep. You want a 90-degree angle here. Knees tucked in, not touching the floor. Breathing through it.
Slow and steady.
Core is tight. Very good, everyone.
Concentrate
Hold
on
that.
those muscles.
About 5 seconds. We're going to switch to the other side. 3, 2, 1. Switch.
Switch your arms too, right?
Keep that depth. I know it burns. It's our last side. You did it for one side. You can do it for the other. Keep that core tight. Keep breathing. Good. Don't lose your depth. Don't come up. Just stay low. We're almost done. I know it burns. 5 more seconds.
5 seconds, guys. Give me one more good one.
And up.
Good job.
Good.
Okay, guys, let's go. Really open up.
The key is breathe through the motion. Never stop breathing. And switch. Y'all did so good. On to the next side. Just keep that core strong. Keep breathing.
You can tell she's from my neck of the woods saying y'all.
Yes. Little Texan in me coming out. Keep breathing. Don't quit. If you fell down, just get right back up. It happens. Definitely does. It's a tough one, guys.
Keep working those obliques. One more.
Good job.
And tough job. Okay, guys, let's get going. 25 seconds and then we'll switch.
Keep those hips low.
Nice, slow, and steady.
Breathing through the motion. Always breathing.
One
All
more.
right. Go ahead and switch sides now. Going right back into that plank, or on your knees if you're following Miss Kelsey here. Rowing back, extending that, working that tricep. Hips are low, always breathing. Good job. Keep moving. We're almost there. It's our last side here.
Yeah, and we've only got 2 more exercises after this, so. Doing a total body fast. One more. And down.
Woo!
Great. Let's start off with the right leg.
Yes, right
Sound
leg
good?
first.
Okay, we'll do that. Let's go, guys.
Hips are low. Extend that leg. Really working those obliques, the whole core.
We're almost switching.
You can almost feel my glute a little bit
I
too.
Other side, guys.
Next side.
And let's not waste any time. Here we go. Yeah, my glute is what's really filling this. Just a good thing. That's the point.
Always room for more booty gains.
Yeah. Nice and slow on the way down, especially. Give me one more good one. Awesome. One, and let's go. If you're hanging with me, make sure you've got great plank form, and Allie for that matter. You're just your shoulders making a straight line to your ankles. So no butt in the air, nothing sagging, right? Just a straight line.
Really breathing through these. Exhale hard. Good job, guys.
We're
Keep
almost
pushing.
there.
Don't give up. I know it's hard.
We got 5 more seconds, guys. 3, 2,
Don't quit.
and 1.
Woo!
I'll just stay down here. Thank you.
I'll join you, Miss Kelsey.
Nice job, you guys. Thanks for joining us. I hope you had a great workout. We hope to see you right here next time.